So hello guys, today we are going to be doing an experiment, and that experiment is making hydrogen gas with sodium hydroxide, aluminum and water. So let's start. So as I said, for this experiment we need aluminum, water and sodium hydroxide, and a separate bowl we can put the water in. So we start by opening the sodium hydroxide and putting it in here, just a little bit. Just like that, that's enough. And this is going to react with this water and release hydrogen gas. And we have the aluminum here for one thing. It's going to boost the reaction tremendously and is going to help release the gas. And also we are going to use balloons to collect it. So now we're going to move to a safer place. So once you have the sodium hydroxide in, you just gotta add the aluminum. So once we have the sodium hydroxide in the form of a drain cleaner and aluminum from aluminium foil, we can pour water in and add the balloon on the top. So let's pour the water in. You don't want to add too much. You just want to add like 200 milliliters or something like that. Just like this. Yep. And right now you can see the hydrogen bubbles forming down there. Yep, that was a little bit of a fail, but now this balloon is going to fill up with hydrogen gas that is highly explosive and very dangerous. So we can try some experiments with that. And in just a moment we can see that this is going to lift up. If we mix this, let's wait. We can hear it sizzling, but I don't see no reaction yet. And also I will wear gloves for this experiment. Now we can start to see that it is bubbling, but we don't see the big reaction yet. So now the balloon is bigger, and we can see that it's inflating. It's an exothermic reaction. If I had a thermal camera, this would be completely red, because it's hot. This I can feel that it's really hot. And now the reaction is starting to take place even more, because we can see the individual bubbles that are forming. I just hope this goes well, because it burns after a while, because the gas is really hot and I gotta remove my gloves in order to take the balloon off, or I at least hope so, because it's hard to remove the balloon when you have the gloves on. But I hope this reaction goes well and this just doesn't blow up in my face. So the balloon is getting bigger and it's getting hotter. As you can see, the reaction is really taking place right now. I hope it doesn't get any hotter, because it's now hard to hold. And I'm gonna have to remove it in a while. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you see that? Oh my god. Oh. What? We got gas. We got gas. So, as you can see, the reaction is really taking place right now. But I had to remove the balloon, because this balloon was getting so hot that I couldn't even hold it. And I turned the ventilation off so you won't be able to hear me good. But this gas has to go somewhere. So yeah, we've got hydrogen gas. Let's let this evaporate, and now we will do tricks with the hydrogen. So what do you think? Is hydrogen lighter than air or heavier than air? If we let this balloon go, will it rise or will it go down? Let's see. It rises because it's really lighter than air, so it's like helium, but it's highly explosive. So if we try this and blow this up, light this balloon up, it will explode and it will be pretty damn explosive. So we want to be careful with this. So as I said, this hydrogen is highly explosive, because if you let it go, it's lighter than air. That's one property. And the second property, it has many properties, but this is the most fun. If I, just wait a second, if I do this, without letting any gas out, I will put this gas in this soapy water. I just use some liquid soap for dishwashing, and then light the gas on fire. What do you think will happen if it's explosive? It's not flammable, it's explosive. So let's try this. So now we'll take a lighter and light these bubbles. So what do you think will happen? Let's see. Haha, did you see that? Let's try it one more time. Let's go. There was a small reaction. One more time. Then we'll try another experiment with probably a different balloon. And let's have a pretty big reaction. Oh my god. Now, at this point you would want to move away, but I'm just doing this with a lighter. So let's go. Ho, that was great and quick. So now for the second and final one, we need a gas torch and a stick. So the first thing we have to do is light the gas torch. Get the balloon filled with explosive hydrogen and put it near the gas torch. You want to plug your ears? Did you see that? That was the biggest explosion that I've ever seen. You saw flames? So don't play around with hydrogen. It's really explosive. And this video is only for educational purposes only. Do not repeat any actions done in the video. Bye. See you next Friday.